Hello my friend, maybe you haven't heard yet, but Facebook groups are really the way to begin to build your network marketing business. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 ways to benefit from creating a Facebook group to help you build your network marketing business. So stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around my friend. Bob Brown here. If you're an active subscriber to my channel, I want to say welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, big shout out to you. I want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out my videos. I really do appreciate that. If you're a network marketer and you're looking for more tips, tools, and training to leverage social media to build your network marketing business, then you're in the right place. All you need to do to get more videos like this is to smash that subscribe button, click on that bell notification. That way you're going to get a notification each time I put out a video that's going to help you to grow your business. Also, I wanted to share with you, if you want to find out a bit about passive income, if you're into earning money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're hanging out with your friends and family, I put a link below this video for my #1 passive income making machine. It's what I'm using right now to earn money while I'm doing those things. And so if that's something that you'd like to do, go ahead and click on that link below this video as well. So as I mentioned, today we're going to be getting into 8 ways to benefit from creating a Facebook group so that you can grow your network marketing business. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first benefit of having a Facebook group to grow your network marketing business is that it provides more personal engagement. Now you've probably seen a decline in your engagement on your Facebook fan pages. That takes you back to the beginning of 2018 when Facebook actually changed their algorithm. They've gotten away from using Facebook pages or business pages to actually do that engagement, getting your likes, your comments, and your shares there, and they've moved that over. What Facebook has decided now is that they want to get back to community, and so Facebook groups is a great place to be able to create community. It's a place where people can kind of come in and feel a little bit more comfortable, that they're not actually doing business in a sense on a business page, but they're in a group now where there's it's a bit easier to actually build relationships, to share, to talk, to communicate, and to warm up those people so that you can actually eventually do business with them down the road. But that's a great place to be able to do that. There's a bit more personal engagement inside the group for that to take place. The second benefit of having a Facebook group is that you can have a pinned post at the top of that group, and this is really great for a couple of reasons, which means it stays there longer, so you're actually pinning that post to the top, so anybody that comes into the group, that's going to be the very first post that they actually see. So in my group, what I have done was I created a video, and in that video it explains what the group's about, what they can expect in the group, what they're going to get in that group, how we're leveraging social media in that group. Also, there's some housekeeping rules in there, what the do's and the don'ts of being in that group, and what will get you booted out of the group as well. So those things are there, but it's a great place to actually start people off and then give them a call to action. So actually in that video, I'm actually giving a call to action for the people that are just getting plugged into the group to introduce themselves, to get to know some of the other people, to go and comment and to share in and build engagement and start building relationships in the group. That's what it's designed to do. So a pinned post is a great way to be able to do that, and having that be the first thing that when somebody comes to the group, they're going to be able to see and get instructions on what they need to do next. So the third benefit of having a Facebook group is that groups are a great provider of immediate feedback. And so let's say you're creating a specific niche type of network marketing for network marketers. And then you want to actually find out, their pains, their problems, their questions that they may have concerning, their business. So you can actually put a poll in there, and you're going to get immediate feedback from that. And it's also another way to actually build engagement in there, as you can start these discussions in those particular areas. But you're going to get that feedback right away, and you can say, okay, this might be the area that I want to start creating content on to be able to help the members in that group to be able to grow in whatever area they need to grow in. So that's a great thing that is beneficial for those in this group, is you get immediate feedback to some of your content that you're putting out there. The fourth benefit is that it creates a value-packed community. This is really what it's all about, is providing value to the community, putting in their content that is going to help them to be able to grow, to help the community members to encourage and build each other up. So that's really what this whole Facebook group is designed for, to be able to deliver quality content to a targeted audience that's going to help them grow in a specific area. And so that's a great thing. And as you're creating content, again, like I mentioned too in the benefit 3, you can actually take polls and be able to do that. You're going to know what your community is actually looking for, so you can provide that content and put it in there and give them the value to answer the pains and the problems that they have. So the 5th benefit is, and it ties into the last one, is providing value and developing trust within that group. Remember that people do business with people, not products and services. And so as you're building those relationships inside your group, you're building what we call the KLT factor. You're creating an environment where people know you, they like you, and they trust you. When you build that trust, you're going to actually be able to do business with them. So the big no-no for Facebook groups is just putting links in there. Obviously, we're in business to do business, but you don't want to destroy any trust by just spamming your group with just putting your links in there, not allowing other people to do those kind of things. If you're not going to do that, you want to be able to build the trust in this group so that people will feel comfortable with you, they get to know you, and then they're going to be more engaged in that group. And if you're just spamming your group, you're not going to get that, and you're actually going to lose people from that. So remember, this is all about attraction marketing and bringing people into your group by providing value for them, and that value develops trust. So make sure that you remember that. So the 6th benefit is that Facebook groups are entirely free. Listen, Facebook has given us a platform to be able to use to actually help us to build our businesses with. And the truth is that growing an online business or online network marketing business today can be tough, as you need a simple and easy and affordable solution, and Facebook is providing that particular solution. Facebook groups are entirely free. They're not costing us anything to be able to use the group, but in that group, and the fact that we don't have to pay to use them doesn't mean that they're not valuable. They're a great way to share a message, to build a community, and ultimately monetize that community. And that's the goal, but it's free to be able to do that. So take full benefit of those groups. So number 7, Facebook is a great way of training your community. Now, Facebook groups are a great way of hosting trainings, both live and pre-recorded trainings that you can actually post in your Facebook group and give value back to that community. You're going to find as you build that community that you're going to see that they're going to rise to the top. Some people that are in there that are super helpful to the community, the ones that are going to be answering the questions, are the ones that are always showing up in there and that are always engaging with the posts that you're putting on there. And those are the people that really want to grow, and those are the people you want to focus in on and nurture those relationships with those people, because they're the ones that you're going to help to grow their businesses, and you're going to build those amazing relationships with, that you will be able to do business down the road over time with. And so that's a great thing to be able to do. These people are going to help to support you and support each other in the group as well. So make sure that you're nurturing those relationships for those people that are actually jumping in here and helping you out. And the 8th benefit, last and certainly not least, and this is really kind of what it's all about, is it's a great way to sell your products and your services, simply because, again, when you build that KLT factor, that know, like, and trust factor, people are naturally going to want to reciprocate that, and then to be able to do business with you. They're going to want to check out what you're offering and what you're doing, and they want to follow you because of that, because you become a leader in your community, and you're beginning to brand yourself as an authority in your marketplace. And that's the goal of Facebook groups. Again, Facebook groups are great. These 8 benefits are those things that are going to help you to build your network marketing business. One of the biggest things for network marketers is that most network marketers struggle with generating leads online. I think you've experienced that. I know for sure that I have. And so having a place where you can begin to create a new warm market and allowing these 8 steps, these benefits to actually take place, is going to help you to grow your business. So if you don't have a group, I encourage you to set up a group and begin to start using that group to create a warm market and build relationships with other marketers, other prospects, and those people that are in your target market that you want to do business with. So that's it for this video. I hope you found some value in it. If you did, do me a favor. like it, comment, and share this video with somebody you think might be able to help you out as well. If you want to get plugged in to a Facebook group or see a Facebook group that's kind of functioning and creating a new warm market, you're more than welcome to get plugged into our Networking Nomads community. In that community, we are leveraging social media to generate lead sales and signups for our businesses. We're focusing in on a couple of different platforms. We're looking at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and how we're able to use what's working now in those platforms to grow our businesses. So just a great place to actually meet other marketers and to build some relationships, get to know some other people as well, and to help each other out, add value to the community. So you're welcome to do that. And so to say thanks for watching this video, I've got a free gift for you. And that free gift is 7 steps to creating more qualified leads using Facebook groups. And there's going to be a link below this video for that PDF. Good friend of mine, Gavin, has created this for us, and I've been actually using this to help grow my business as well. So that's a free gift to you. So I'm going to talk to you in the next video. You have a great day. See you later.